Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers in the Philippines.
Nandito na naman kami sa labas at today is a Mother's Day. Magse-celebrate kami dito sa labas pero bibili muna kami dito ng fish dito, fish and French fries dito sa Kennedy Restaurant. Kasama ko pala ang aking esposo. Chicken. Yan. Okay. Hi.
Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers in the Philippines.
Hello everyone, we are celebrating our Mother's Day here at McDonald's. Our favorite hangout. Hintay namin yung order namin. Mag-order lang kami ng coffee at saka apple pie. Yun lang ang binili namin dito. Dahil bumili kami ng Kennedy fish with French fries and soda and one water. Dito namin kakainin sa McDonald's.
No others in this?
Yeah. Fish and one soda. Happy Mother's Day to everyone in the Philippines. There in the Philippines. Apple pie and coffee. You have another coming soon? Oh, your sister's daughter. Mother's Day, ayan, marami nagtitinda ng mga ganyan. Mga flowers. Waffle bun.
Wala ko yung
Kami sa bazaar, kay araw ng Mother's Day ngayon, kaya maraming tinda. Mura lang yung mga yan, guys.
Enjoy your furniture fast and with easy monthly payments only from Raymore and Flanagan.
Yeah. I want to show to the Filipino. Philippine.
Quiere comprar.
Hello guys, hanggang dito na lamang at hanggang sa muli. Thank you for watching. Bye.